Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra in Lego. Begin by gathering basic bricks, wheel hubs, hinge pieces, and plates. Sort colors and identify parts for chassis, body, and spoiler. Build a sturdy chassis first, mount axles and suspensions, then block out the cabin and roofline. Refine curves with slopes and tiles, add headlights and emblems, and finish with decals and a rear wing carefully. Focus on the chassis to ensure a smooth build. Connect plates and Technic beams to form a rigid base, then fit wheel hubs and axles precisely so wheels roll true. Block out suspension clearances and test wheel fit early, adjusting track width for the Supra stance. Use flat tiles where possible to lower the center of gravity and ensure body panels align cleanly with minimal gaps during later assembly. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your building sessions to comfy socks like Darn Tough that come with a lifetime warranty, which keeps feet cozy through long builds and cleanup. I find a little comfort makes focused work easier, and those socks are tough enough for workshop floors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work from the center outward when shaping the Supra body to maintain symmetry. Use slopes and curved bricks to form the iconic roofline, then refine the front fascia with headlight tiles and grille elements. Smooth panels with plates and tiles, then craft a rear wing and taillights that match the proportions. Finish with small emblems or decals for character, and test fit all sections together to preserve alignment and driving clearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.